just about to record for you a short summary of our beginner's solo social foxtrot, and it's practice routine number 6. So it's a little bit longer because actually it was a recap of a number of the steps we had done over the past 18 months. So this class, I taught this class on the 18th of January 2022, and we had a few months off at the back end of 21. So when we came back to this episode of the Social Foxtrot, I wanted to really recover everything, but the people I had in the class, they weren't new to it, they just needed a refresher. So there's a lot of content in here. If you're completely brand new to the solo social dancing, you might want to take a look at the full class from the 18th of January 22 first, but this really is a short summary. It's more about memory and just the fact that the routine was quite long, as opposed to the fact that it was too technical. It wasn't very complicated, it was just long to remember. Let's make a little start. Now, I started with a left foot lead, basic step. Walk, walk, side together, walk, walk, side together. I then did a little promenade walk to my left wall. Walk, walk, side together. I'm then going to do 3-step taps. Left tap, right tap, left tap. Now that was a slight adaptation of our normal sway step, which is 6 quick steps and it ends in a close. It's step, tap, step, tap, step, close. But because I want to keep things even, left and right, for both followers and leaders that are doing solo classes, I adapt some of those little steps. Most of you will know that. So let's do that again. Walk, walk, side together, walk, walk, side together, walk, walk, side together, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. And by doing so, it frees up the right foot and we can repeat everything going back the other way. Walk, walk, side together, walk, walk, side together, promenade, promenade, side together, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. I'm going to call that section 1. Section 1 being the basics, a promenade, and that adapted sway step and doing it both sides. Let's look at section 2. Section 2 is a little bit more tricky. We're going to take a left foot lead. This would be the leader's footwork. I'm going to do forwards and whisk, forwards and whisk, forwards and whisk, forwards and close. I'm then going to take a promenade turn to my left wall. Walk, walk, side together. So let's look at that again. 3 whisks, 1 close, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Just calling that section 2 on its own. Let's look at section 3 because this was lots and lots of quick steps. Section 3, I'm going to start. Imagine I'm Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers, that little swaying type motion. And they were very light on their feet. So I'm going to go left, right. Okay, think of the tennis players at the back of the baseline. They're like this, and they're very light on their feet. Okay, so it's just a really, very quick change, left, right. And then I do a little adapted grapevine. So this is a grapevine step adapted for the solo dance. It's not 100% how it would look in the ballroom, okay? Quick, 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 tap. Go back the other way. Quick, 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 tap. Now, finishing this off. Left foot box step, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Optional to put rotation in. Maybe do 4 pairs, that should get you around. Okay, so that's section 3. Told you it was long. Section 4, a rock step. Rock, rock, side together. Rock, rock, side together. And of course in the ballroom we'd normally put rotation in there. And then the last 2 steps here on section 4, little corner check, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Let's see if we can dance the whole thing all together, and I will give the slows and the quicks. Section 1, basic step. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Promenade, slow, slow, quick, quick. Adapted sway step. quick, 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 quick. All of that in reverse. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. That was section 1. Section 2, 3 whisks are going to close. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Left promenade turn. Slow, slow, quick, quick. That was section 2. Section 3, little lead. Quick, 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 quick. That's a lot of quicks, wasn't it? Section 4, box step, with or without rotation, up to you. Slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Rock step, slow, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And 2 corner checks, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. There we go, guys. So if you're watching this in my video channel, then you know where to find the other videos in the playlist. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And the important thing is I can't demonstrate with music because of copyright issues, so I'm doing all of these routines if you're seeing this on YouTube without the music. So guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Check out the website, check out the other videos in the playlist, check out all the other videos in YouTube. Lots and lots of content there for you to keep practicing. This was beginners, solo, social, foxtrot, practice routine number 6. It was a very, very big long summary of all the things that we had done in the past, and it was taught in a full class on the 18th of January 2022. Thank you.